AI is already applied in everyday life, used in social media face filters, facial recognition, content recommendation, and language translating technology. For example, AI is used for social media face filters by identifying key points on a person's face or face landmarks, such as the eyes, nose, and mouth. Once these points have been identified, the contours of the face can be pinpointed and the filter can be applied onto the user's face. The beginning of AI research dates back to the 1950s. Alan Turing, a notable computer scientist known for the breaking of the Enigma code in World War II, published a paper suggesting the testing of a thinking machine that could hold a conversation with a human as if it were just another person. Turing's papers and their discussion sparked the concept of artificial intelligence. While artificial intelligence was an exciting, futuristic concept in the 1950s, by the 1970s, AI research funding was cut due to many reports stating a lack of progress and success. The late 1970s became known as the first AI winter. The first AI winter ended in the early 1980s after several new developments. One of these developments was the U.S. increasing funding for AI again. Japan had started a new fifth-generation computer project, and the U.S. aimed to compete to become a world leader in computer science. Another development was the introduction of expert systems, which was quickly utilized by large global corporations. The 1980s marked the end of the first AI winter with a promising introduction of expert systems. The expert system operated within a clearly defined area of knowledge and followed strict logic rules. Even with such restrictions, these programs proved useful to corporations. However, despite the success of the expert system, computer science experienced a second AI winter starting in 1987. Expert system computers were seen as slow, bulky, and not user-friendly, and were becoming too expensive and difficult to update compared to the new desktop computer. As consumers no longer needed to buy an expensive machine specialized for running expert systems, this led to the collapse of the market for specialized AI hardware in 1987. Thus, an entire industry worth $500 million was replaced in a single year. Research funding was once again cut. It wasn't until 1997, when IBM's Deep Blue defeated chess champion Garry Kasparov, that the general public realized the power of AI. With the breakthrough in hardware equipment, the computer's processing power and storage capacity grew exponentially, enabling companies to store and process large amounts of data. Various companies and government agencies have successfully applied AI on a larger scale in different applications. This leads to a new round of growth in AI. The 2010s saw the rise of digital virtual assistants. Assistants like Alexa, Siri, and Google utilize natural language processing to act as a convenient source of information for users, doing many of the tasks a human assistant would. Virtual assistants like these are the future of AI. They are controlling autonomous cars and taking a physical form as a robot. Artificial intelligence has come a long way since Alan Turing's idea in a hypothetical paper, and it will continue into the future driving cars, walking around in everyday life, and more. But still, what is AI? AI usually does not have one explicit definition. However, it can be defined as a sector of computer science that allows computers to solve problems through making predictions and decisions. The sector of AI where AI is currently adopted in products is called machine learning, or ML. Machine learning teaches computers how to make problem-solving predictions and decisions by teaching them to learn from collected data. As seen in the diagram, artificial intelligence is a branch of computer science, and machine learning is a branch of artificial intelligence. As our focus will be on machine learning, now let us have a look at this field in AI from a high level. Usually, machine learning problems and its related solutions can be divided into three categories. We will have a look at each category.